Hello, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner, a weekly show dedicated to IPO market performance with hot public offerings and all important information about the listing companies. Now, however, before investing in any shares, investors need to understand the business prospects and the operations in detail, such as future risks and returns. This can include changing the IPO price or issuance date as the companies see fit. Let's look at some proposed IPO listings scheduled for the week. First up, UVRAY is a resource company engaged in the business of exploring and developing lithium, vanadium and other energy and new world mineral opportunities. Last year, the company signed a term sheet to acquire trade and postal transportation company Vanacorp Oz from gold and lithium miner Red Dirt Metals for $1.22 million. UVRAY has undertaken a $6 million public offering at a 20-cent issue price. According to the ASX website, it plans to list on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 7th of June at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Next up, we have Kingsland Minerals, an early-stage mineral exploration and development company focused on gold, base metals and uranium discoveries within projects located in the Northern Territory and Western Australia. Now, since its incorporation, the company has secured agreements in respect of several tenements that are considered prospective for gold, copper, uranium and nickel. Kingsland Minerals has undertaken a $5.5 million public offering at a 20-cent issue price. It plans to list on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 8th of June at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. The company was formed with the purpose of assembling a portfolio of projects predominantly located in the Pine Creek region of the Northern Territory. In addition, a project prospective for nickel mineralisation was acquired in Western Australia. Moving on to Southern Palladium, an Australian public company looking to acquire a forgotten but substantial platinum group elements, that is magmatic Nenku sulfide deposit in South Africa's Bushveld Igneous Complex, the Bengwayama project. The company was formed in December 2020. Southern Palladium was undertaken a $19 million public offering at a 50-cent issue price. Now, according to the ASX website, it plans to list on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 8th of June at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Well, it's time to wrap up the IPO Corner show, but let me share this critical information first. Before investing in IPOs, investors must check the company's credibility and track record. Risk appetite can vary by investors, and they need to consider factors such as analyst views, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance, and a peers review before making an investment decision. Also, it's important to note that companies can change the IPO price or issuance date as they see fit. Well, that's all for now on the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We've got many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.